Hey there, brave star explorers. Welcome back to Astris Kids, where we explore the coolest things about space. Today, we're talking about Earth's closest space buddy, the Moon. Ready to learn some fun facts? Let's go. Fact 1. Did you know the Moon is Earth's only natural satellite? It orbits around Earth from about 384,400 kilometers away. That's like stacking 30 Earths between us and the Moon. Fact 2. Moonwalks are light. If you could walk on the Moon, you'd be so light. The Moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's. So if you weigh 30 kilograms here, you'd only weigh 5 kilograms on the Moon. Talk about a super bounce. Fact 3. The Moon is a bit big for Earth. Compared to other moons in the solar system, ours is huge. It's about 3,474 kilometers wide. That's almost the size of Australia. Fact 4. Moon phases. The Moon doesn't shine on its own. It reflects sunlight. And as it moves around Earth, we see different shapes, like a crescent or a full moon. These are called phases, and they repeat every 29.5 days. Fact 5. Moon has no air. There's no air on the Moon. That's why astronauts need special suits to breathe. And because there's no wind and only a little water, the footprints left by astronauts are still there from 50 years ago. Well, that's it for today, future astronauts. I hope you learned something awesome about the Moon. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more space-tastic adventures. See you next time, and remember, keep looking up.